the Colletti Royale. It sounds like it's a hotel which you book yourself into on holiday, only to find out it's a building site and it's in a sketchy part of town. Well, the sun is out at the moment, and I thought it'd be a good idea for a spritz style cocktail. What I love the most about this one is it's more of a sipper, so you can't down these ones easily, so it's a great drink for when you have greedy people present. The ingredient lineup: reposado tequila, St-Germain, Cointreau triple sec, blood orange juice, fresh lime juice, orange bitters and pink champagne. Let's kick this off by adding 1.5 ounces, that's 45ml of reposado tequila, using my new measuring cup, so hopefully I won't be making any more messes in future videos. And add 1/2 ounce, that's 15ml of Cointreau or triple sec. Add 1/2 ounce, that's 15ml of St-Germain. Follow this up with 1/2 ounce, that's 15ml of fresh blood orange juice. Then you guessed it, another 1/2 ounce, that's 15ml of fresh lime juice. Add 2 dashes of orange bitters. Add ice to a shaker and then shake for 10 to 15 seconds. Colletti Royale was created by Julie Rayner back around 2013 in New York City. She's legendary in the cocktail scene, co-owning the Clover Club, Leyenda and Milady's. Fill a spritz or large wine glass with some ice and a slice of blood orange. Double strain the contents of your shaker into a spritz or wine glass. Top this off with around 2 to 3 ounces of pink champagne and give this a light stir. The taste test. To start with, you get a slight agave smokiness from the tequila, then it goes into the dryness of the champagne and the Cointreau. You also get a sweetness from the blood orange and the St-Germain coming through, but that's balanced out by the lime juice. I really like this drink. At first you think it's going to be super easy to drink, but the tequila is telling you to behave yourself and settle it down a bit and drink at a leisurely pace rather than smashing it down. This is a good drink, and one that I'll definitely use in my sort of brunch, afternoon, daytime, spritz style drink rotation.